about it. You know they love you, they know you love them, you both know that you love each other, but then you're trying to stay quiet about the situation. Somebody deliberately trying to not show their emotions. This person is hiding their feelings big time for you, and they're trying to just stay quiet, like they're trying to create mystery around this, and you are waiting for this person to come straight, come clear towards you, but they don't do it. This person is basically testing your patience big time. You are expecting a communication from them, but they're not doing it. What else for my Libra for the future? Four of Swords. I also see that you both have become very quiet. See, this is their energy, this is your energy. Some of you dealing with another air sign, or somebody who's behaving like an air sign, very logical. These days, this person is using their brain a lot over their heart. You know what? Let me tell you straight up. I say that two grown ass adults having love for each other and not confessing. Alright? So both of you not showing their feelings to each other. Some of you, this person is not showing their feelings. That's why you are not showing your feelings. And this person is just trying to play it safe. I won't say they are playing mind games with you. I will just say that they are playing it very safe. What's the obstacle here? Queen of Pentacles. And the Strength card. There is no obstacle. I see that there are some ego issues. This person thinks really high of them. You think very high of yourself. I don't know. Or maybe you are thinking that if this person is not making a move, why shall I? That's the only issue. There's definitely love here. You both want this connection. You both want new beginning in this connection. You definitely know that you are meant for each other, and this is going to lead to a lot of stability. Some of you, the obstacle could also be that this person is already married. That could be an obstacle. But if this person is not married, then I see that you both want to get married, but you just don't express enough. You are not expressing because they are not expressing. They are not expressing because they don't want to express right now. They are trying to play it very safe. But yeah, you both know that this is something which is very divinely guided, and you both are kind of like soulmate or whatever. See, this freaking Hierophant. Definitely commitment. And with the Queen of Pentacles, this definitely shows marriage. Yeah. So I see that this new beginning that you're hoping for is going to happen, but it's going to take some time. To be honest, it's not going to happen as fast as you would like. This could be like a little long fought battle. It might take some 9 weeks from now, or 6 weeks. I see for some of you 5 to 9. All right, this person is going to take some time to confess, but this person ultimately will confess that they want to have a be on and all with you. The Libra, your card is also here. I see balance is going to be restored. I see that you are moving towards stability, and a lot of balance is going to come in ultimately. But it's going to take some time because your person is a snail. You're dating a snail, all right? All of this is also keeping you very stuck with the Nine of Wands. I see that you cannot make a move, like, because of course this person is not making a move. You don't know what to do. And a lot of secrets are going on, but these are not like manipulations. I see that the secrets are secret feelings for each other. You have feelings, they have feelings, and nobody is expressing. That's the secret here. So what's going to happen next year between Libra and their person? Yeah, Nine of Wands. Somebody is coming full-fledged towards you. The only problem is that this person is hiding their feelings for you. Libra, what's up? They have a lot of passion for you with the Knight of Wands. Like, they are super attracted to you, but they don't want to tell it to you right now. They are waiting for the right time or right moment. I don't know. What's up? But this is gonna happen, and you know it really well. Some of you are also feeling very what would I say, you're kind of losing hope because this person is taking forever. You're kind of losing hope. You feel that things are just falling apart. Yeah, see, you feel very stressed. Something is really causing you a lot of mental struggle, mental turbulence. You feel things are just very messy because this person is not confessing and you cannot make a decision. This person is giving, this person is just giving you panic attacks because they're not making a move as fast as you would want. What happened in the past between Libra and their person? Magician. This is a connection you manifested. This is the connection you want. And I see there was a lot of passion between you and them with the 4 of Wands and the King of Wands. Everything was going really, really well. But now this person is trying to play it very safe and slow, and that's kind of giving you panic attacks. What is Libra's feelings? Hermit. You're trying to stay very, very quiet these days. You're not trying to do much about it. This is really troubling you, but you're not trying to do much about it. You're just trying to stay very quiet about the situation. You kind of reflect back upon the past. That's what the Hermit card, you do a lot of reflection, and it kind of troubles you a lot. All of this is causing a lot of mental strain on your health. Give me some future energy. It's like unnecessary drama being caused, you know, to be honest. Both of you want this, both of you know this is meant to be, but this person is unnecessarily delaying things and causing you strain. See, Knight of Pentacles, that's the future. I see this person is going to make a move towards you and they will try to balance things out. A lot of balance and healing is going to happen here. Some of you also need to take care of your mental health a lot these days because you're straining yourself beyond limits. Try to practice some meditation or yoga or something. Alright? With the Nine of Pentacles and the Temperance card, I see this person is going to apologize for your behavior and they are going to try to make things right for you. And just when I said that, I saw 333 on the clock, which means that you are manifesting this reunion and universe is giving that to you. The World and the Queen of Cups and the 10 of Cups at the bottom. You know, it's one of those connections where you complete this person and they complete you. You both are like halves of each other, but I don't know why you both are not making a move. I definitely see this is going to go towards something really beautiful. Things are going to fall into place. Don't worry, like this person loves you. There's no other way that this will not happen. It's gonna happen. So I definitely see a renewal in the situation and a partnership is going to happen, which is going to be very stable, very balanced, and it's going to give you a lot of emotional balance, to be honest. Let's say this person's feelings towards you, Libra. 3 of Swords, they are hurt. Somebody is hurt. Why are they hurt? Because something came out. Some of you maybe something about this person came out and they never expected you to find out. You found out and now this person is kind of ashamed or they are not able to take it, basically. That is why they're very hurt. They're basically hurt that they did something behind your back and you got to know about it and it has hurt you. So you are hurt and they are hurt about the fact that you are hurt. You know, you both are really halves of each other. If you are hurt, they feel hurt. If they feel hurt, you feel hurt. So this person's next move. Oops. Page of 1, communication. Somebody wants to communicate with you. They want to give you some sort of clarity. They want to be talking about commitment. When this person talks to you, expect that they will be talking about commitment. Some of you are either married to this person already or marriage will become a part of the situation. The 4 of Wands is here, the Hierophant was there. So what do you expect from this? This is definitely leading to something solid in the coming future, for sure. Somebody is rushing in to communicate with you. They want to apologize. First of all, I see that they want to apologize. And I see you are also looking forward to this apology because you also want them to come towards you. So it's not only them, it's you as well. Four of Pentacles. You both are holding back, but very soon I see you are going to talk to each other because there's a lot of emotions that are being held. It's like a pressure cooker. You're trying to build in the pressure by not talking, but one day you're going to explode and that's going to lead to a lot of emotional back and forth communication. I see that you both miss each other. There is a pain or a grief that you both are feeling right now. So it's not only you, it's them as well. This is going to move towards something emotionally very stable. So give me some career messages for Libra though. So yeah, in love situation, I see that someone from your past, you are hoping for a reunion with them and they are hoping the same. For your career, I see some sort of recognition. You might be in a creative work, so it's going to give you a lot of recognition. Some of you will be entering into a business partnership or some sort of partnership. In your career, it's going to give you recognition, and I also see some sort of wish fulfillment in your career or your material aspect. Your money is going to improve. And when it comes to love, I see that there is someone who keeps drifting apart and then they come back, because this looks like a soulmate thing, to be honest. And you know about it already. It's like you guys don't speak and then, yeah, see, 6 of Cups. You don't speak and then you come back together, then you drift apart and then you come back together. It's been some time that this is going on already. Alright. Some of you also feel that because of all this drama, you have started focusing on your own healing, because you feel that this person and the situation drains you a lot. So you are like, till this person levels up, until they fix themselves, I'm not going to invest myself. So you're trying to be happy by yourself and you're expanding in your own life, which is good. You're not putting a full stop on your own growth, which is amazing. Some of you are looking forward to new opportunities in life. You're doing new things. You are looking for a travel. I don't know. But whatever it is, you're trying to show everybody that you're doing well and you're doing a good job at it. And someone here, I see that they want to express to you, but right now they feel it's not the right time. But they will do it very soon, because they are kind of hurt as well. So communication definitely coming in. And this looks like a soulmate thing. And just when I said I saw the Sun card, so yeah, this could be a soulmate thing. I see that some sort of secret was revealed about them, which has given you a shock. And this has also disappointed this person. They're kind of ashamed as to why they did that. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles and the High Priestess and the Page of Swords. I see somebody keeps tabs on you, so they might be stalking you. I don't know. A secret is going to be revealed, or it's already revealed. Some of you, the secret is that this person still holds back on you, and that's the 7 of Pentacles. They are waiting for the right moment to approach you. So if you think this is done and they have forgotten you, honey, you're wrong. Worth waiting for. If you feel that this person is worth waiting for or not, the answer is yes. It's a soulmate thing. You both want each other. Children, some of you might be having a kid with this person. That is why it is more difficult for you to finally give up on them. Or this person behaves very childishly. Right now, you are being asked to free the situation. Don't try to control the situation. Things will happen with the perfect divine timing. Let it happen. Anything else? Finance and career, and very soon at the bottom. So very soon this person is going to reach out to you, but for now, keep focusing on yourself. I see that you are focusing on yourself. Keep doing that. This person is going to come in. They are not going anywhere. Don't worry about it. All right, just keep focusing on yourself. Free yourself. Do not try to strain yourself mentally. And I see this person is retarding. All right, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.